Today I am going to tell you how to measure liquids. For measurement of liquid we use liter and milliliter. These two units we used to use for measuring liquids, and so there is a relation between both of liter and milliliter, so that is 1 liter is equal to 1000 ml. So today we will go do the conversion of liter to milliliter and milliliter to liter. So in this relation, with this relation only we can tell that, so when you need to convert, so 1 liter is equal to 1000 ml. So when you convert liter to milliliter you need to multiply by 1000, and when you need to convert milliliter to liter you need to divide by 1000. So that is the process by which it is same like that. So let us go to exercise 10. So they have given the first question, as you can see, liter is given and you need to convert that one in milliliter. Very simple, as we know that 1 liter is equal to milliliter, and when you convert liter to milliliter we used to multiply by 1000. So let us do number 1a number. So 1a number is what question? 4 liter is given. So how will you do? 4 liter means 4 into 1000. 4 into 1000 is equal to 4000 ml. Very easy. So one more question I will do. Number C number, which is 6 liter 50 ml is given. So how will you convert? 6 liter you need to convert into ml, and this one is already in ml, so no need to convert this. So 6 into 1000 plus 50. So how you have done this kilometer, milli, everything is same only. That process is same. So 6000 plus 50 is 6050 ml, that is milliliter. So like that, go to 2 number. In question 2 number you need to do what? Ml is given, you need to convert that one in liter. So milliliter to liter you need to do what? You need to divide by 1000. So it's very simple how to divide by 1000. You divide by 1000, 8000 ml is given, and for conversion of milliliter to liter you need to do what? 8000 divided by 1000. So it will be 30 is there, 3 numbers from the back, that is 30 will be in ml, and whatever left out, that one used to be in liter. So 8 liter 00 ml, so 00 ml means 0 only, right? So this is 8 liter. So let us do one more question, number C. What question given? So 6080 ml. So how will you do? Again divide by 1000. 6080 divided by 1000. So how will you do? It's equal to how much? Last 3 digits used to be in ml, this last 3 digits, and whatever left out, that used to be liter. And if you divide also, whatever quotient you used to get, that used to be in liter, and whatever you remainder you get, that used to be in milliliter. So 6 liter 80 ml. 0 ml means 080 ml means 80 ml only. So this is the answer. So I think you can do other questions. So there is other relations also you must know. So half of liter is equal to 500 ml. Okay. So this relation also we how to do it? It's very simple. 1 by 2 into 1 liter means 1000. So when you divide it 1000 by 2 you will get 500 ml. So that is also like that you can do. It is 250, 1 by 4 liter is equal to 250 ml, and 3 by 4, that is if we convert that one in, that one will be 750 ml is the answer. So this is the relation. So now you can do question number 1. So 1 by 2 ml. 3a number question is 1 by 2 liter. So this whole this is the whole number part. 1 liter is, this is 1 liter, and half liter is equal to how many ml? As the question is given, you need to convert 1 by 2 liter into milliliter. So first you convert, this is 1 liter, half liter is how many ml? It is 500 ml. So now you can convert this one, how you have done this one question. So like that now you can convert that one, this questions which a number how you have done number 1. So like that only you can convert that. So 1 liter is how many ml? 1000 you need to multiply plus 500 you need to do. So it is 1000 plus 500 is equal to 1500 ml. Okay. So next is C number, let me do 6 3 by 4 liter it's given. 6 liter, that means 6 is the whole part, so that is used to be in liter. So 3 by 4 liter is how many ml? You just check. 3 by 4 liter is 750 ml. So now too you can convert this in ml. So 6 liter you need to convert in ml. This is already in I have converted. So 6 liter is how many ml? 6 into 1000 plus 750 ml. So when you multiply it will be 6000 plus 750, it will be 6750 ml is the correct answer. So like that you can do, I think, all the questions, other questions. Very simple. As you can see, these are the questions. Number to B number, all the B you can do, even D numbers. So I have done A and C questions. You can do. So these are homework. B and D you can do by, that is your homework. You try to do by yourself. So this much for today, and thank you for watching.